Rod Marlatt here, Director of Fayette County Conservation. A lot of folks wonder what you conservation guys do in the wintertime. You just sit around and sharpen pencils? No, but we do sharpen our chainsaws. So this time of year, we work in our wildlife areas. After the parks and everything else are closed, a lot of our areas are prairie areas. So what we do to do that is they're always being encroached by brush, which can impede the health of the prairie and the expansion of the prairie and their species. So we'll go in and we cut brush like you see here to allow more sunlight and more nutrients to get into the prairie grasses and forbs and expand their viability, I guess. And we'll let something like this sit for a couple years, let it dry down, and then we'll set it afire. The different management units that we have, and the result of that will be incredible and keep the prairies healthy.